Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm David from InkHeartsUK Industries. There's a long time since I done my last video. The reason is I have a 2000 PT Cruiser. I had to work on the rear suspension. It took up some time. That's why I couldn't really work on the motorhome. We are back on track, carry on working on a motorhome. We're gonna cut out the rotten area by the toe board, make a new patch panel to it and weld it in place. Also I bought a new toy, which makes my life easier. If you wanna find out what it is, just stick around and keep watching. So I got a little bit of time today. Touch this corner up by the step and join the A-pillar together. I made a little patch panel there on the bottom, so it's gonna kick the water out, and an extra support for the A-pillar. And also I put a new bead for the rubber seal. I just put a cover plate because on the inside it was a little bit beaten up, and I cut out from a washing machine side. It already had a nice bead in it, nice and strong. The next one is the toe board needs to cut out, and first time actually I'm gonna use my new toy. This is a plasma cutter. What I bought it for 30 quid. If it was spares or repair, I repaired it. Or what was wrong with it, the cable was completely dusted inside. So
oxidation occurs when the oxygen and moisture in the air react with the metal's surface. This reaction corrodes the metal and produces a film-like covering, like rust on steel. Copper does not rust, but will produce a greenish patina called copper oxide.
It wouldn't trigger the torch. Sorted. So now I got a plasma cutter, and first time I'm gonna use it in action. Whoop whoop. Right, so let's see what we've got there.
Take it off!
Yes.
Hello. Good morning. Or night, whichever the case may be.
What is it? I'm a busy man.
That was my first attempt. It's still a learning curve. Never used a plasma cutter before. It was definitely a lot easier than use a grinder. I'm gonna mark up or the fold. But I know that's where the curve starts. And that's where the curve is. Goes there and then up. Something like that. That's what I have holding my sheet metal. So I just get out my trusted log. There you go. The curve is pretty close, and now it's gonna be the tricky bit to get over all these differences. There was little pinholes, whatever, rusted through, so I just feel those up. There's 3 big ones. What I'm not gonna do now, because I'm gonna put this panel up against, those are the little ones I filled up with those. Well, instead of cutting out from the outside, it's accessible. I'm gonna put this lip against there, and from the outside it's easy to fill it up. So I made up this little patch panel just to cover up that hole. So we're gonna be seam welded, and that's what we got. I already welded up there. The top still needs doing. Welded up the floor, made up a patch panel for the toe board. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button as well. If you're looking for Hankat Industries goodies, please check out the InkHeartsUK website. They're doing a lot of Hankat Industries t-shirts, mugs and all sorts of goodies. And also if you're looking for other interesting pieces, they are up for it and very good quality. So check them out, and I think see you next time.